Pompeii, Italy is a busy city with the continuation of 300 years of restoration.
This is Larry J., and I'm in Pompeii, Italy. An eyewitness documented the volcano eruption. He had never seen an explosion before. So he drew a picture of the umbrella tree that resembled the volcano erupting. How creative is that? It was sad to see that the people were buried alive in hot ash, while others suffocated from the ash.
This was one of the Roman Empire's most progressive cities. The drainage system is still functioning as it was designed to do.
Draining right through here, and it's going down. It'll end up in the sea. It's still draining 2,000 years later. The large stones were laid across the road to slow chariots down, just like modern-day speed bumps. As I look closely, the chariot wheels have wear patterns that are embedded into the stone road. Here's a barbecue right on the corner, my kind of place. There is an open pit for cooking, and also a counter to sit at. Amazing. Yeah, that's the way they look. 2 stone-crafted ovens for baking bread and other food. It was interesting to me that some of the walls were built with old volcanic rock.
There are public water wells for people to use around the city. This is a unique opportunity to see how people lived and worked 2,000 years ago.
So we're deep in the city of Pompeii. We continue to take our tour through, looking at all the interesting artifacts that survive. I'm amazed that many of the buildings are so well preserved. I'm getting a real feeling of the culture that existed here. The tile work and some of the murals are incredible. The amphitheater was well preserved considering the destructiveness of the volcano eruption. Amazing! The stores had to use an image because of the language barrier, in this case, a brothel.
This is not the end, but the beginning of discovering Pompeii, Italy.
If you're enjoying our travels, go ahead and give us a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel.